So as we look at this design, you can see that it's featuring all Lembush grown flowers. And so if we're making an arrangement for the cooler, you're going to choose your materials. You can see I just created an armature by using some bind wire and curling that curling willow down into an armature shape. And so then we've done some groupings where we've got more impactful design. And I'm just using the Pomponi Gerb down in the focal area and then allowing that lily to have space up there to be able to open up and mature. That's where we want to be able to kind of open up our arrangements and have that spatial factor that's going to give increased perceived value. And that's what the dynamic lines of the curly willow add, that energy in your composition that's going to increase that perceived value. So as we're going and doing one for the cooler, what you would do is add up the cost of the flowers. So you're taking the retail cost of the flowers again. So I have 3 gerbs, 2 stock, 2 snaps, 1 spray rose, and 1 lily, and then the curly willow. And then I am just using the foliage from the flowers here so that it can be still all Minnesota grown. Then I would add up take the cost of those flowers and go to my little phone calculator and take the cost of that, times it by 1.43. And then I'm going to add the cost of the container. Now that's going to give me the reverse. So that's going to give me my retail to put it in the cooler. So there's 2 ways that you can add up your pieces and not have to use a ton of math, but everybody's got phones in their pockets. So we do have calculators that are handy, but be able to have this chart next to your designers. It's a good way to hold them accountable for the pricing. Profit margins are slim these days, and so we need to make sure that everybody stays profitable. So we've developed this tool for you. The link will be down in the description of the video, and we'll have a Publitas link so that you can download this and print it out, maybe laminate it or make a couple, get them right in front of your designers so that you can make sure you're profitable at the end of the day. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.